Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO T1 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. To get started, swipe down from the top of your screen to gain access to your toggles, and swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. And on one of the pages you will find the Do Not Disturb mode. Now if it's not on the first page, swipe to the left and this will show you a second page where toggle is located for me. So once you see this toggle, first time around you want to hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings, and here you can go about customizing it. Now I'm just going to touch upon a couple important options that you can find in here, and I'll leave the rest to you to customize it to fit your exact needs. Now the important options, at least in my opinion, would be things like the calls. Here you can select who can call you, message you, and you have option between stayed, which is favorite contacts, just contacts, anyone, or no one. Along with the toggle right here for allow repeated callers, so if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they'll be bypassing anything that I have selected right here. Then going down, we have a schedule. There is one pre-made one called sleeping, which basically I believe runs all week long. Yep, so as you can see, all week long, and starts at 10 p.m. and ends at 7 a.m. You can customize this one, or you can add your new ones by tapping right over here. Just gonna give you a little example, and again from here, for instance, deselect days that you don't want this to run during, and then select start, end time, and that's it. From there, it automatically becomes enabled, so you don't really need to do anything extra, but assuming you don't maybe want to use it right away, you can turn it off right here. And obviously if you want to swap around later on, if you have more than one, you could just toggle on other ones, and that's all you would need to do for the schedule. Now going down, we have duration for manual turning on. Here I actually recommend changing this to be on a timer, and timer would be completely preferential. I would probably select it to be something along 4 hours. And the reason I recommend setting this up is strictly on the way I would use it. So when I use Do Not Disturb mode, I just use it occasionally. I'm not used to it, so I will forget about it when I turn it on. So I'll enable it when I need it, but then I won't remember to turn it off once I'm done with it, and it will be running indefinitely in the background. But by having this enabled, after 4 hours of being enabled, it will automatically turn off. So I don't need to remember about it anymore, nor do I need to stress about forgetting about it and, for instance, not receiving any calls because of this mode. So there we go. Now once you went through all the settings in here, we can close this, and whenever you want to use your Do Not Disturb mode manually, find the toggle, tap on it, and that's it. It's now enabled. For me, it shows me that it's going to be running for the 4 hours, so till 7:33, at which point it's going to turn off automatically. But obviously I can turn it off myself right now as an example. And for the schedule, once the schedule is enabled, you literally don't need to do anything extra. So there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.